We're gathered here today before God to give thanks for the gift of marriage, to witness the recommitment of Eduardo and Adela.
You're mine, always you're mine, forever you're my reality. You're my sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly. And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'll say I do for the rest of my life.
Those whom God has joined together, let no one ever separate. Amen.
Amen.
You may kiss the bride, Eduardo. Oh, you got to kiss longer than that. Come on now. Come on now, give us some photos.
No turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose